Hear the space between. Hear the space between. Everybody hear the stars, I hear everything. Hear the space between. Hear the space between. Nothing silent, everything sing. I stop paying attention to the objects themselves and start paying attention to the distance separating them, and suddenly the whole structure changed, because the stars ain't floating in emptiness, they floating in relationships, and every relationship carrying information, and every information carrying intention, and every intention creating patterns, and every pattern becoming a language. And the farther I drift into silence, the louder existence become, and the louder existence become, the more impossible it get, because now I'm hearing conversations between planets and harmonics exchange between constellations and frequencies moving through interstellar corridors older than civilizations, and every gap carry more meaning than the objects on either side of it, and every pause becoming a pathway, and every pathway becoming a transmission, and suddenly space ain't empty anymore. Beat, 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 between, not see, blend, not still, listen, hear it build. And now the whole universe unfolding differently, because everybody's staring at the light. So while I'm listening to the darkness, connecting them in the darkness, got structure and the structure got rhythm, and the rhythm got memory, and the memory got direction. Hear the space between. Everybody hear the stars, I hear everything. Nothing silent, nothing still, everything singing, everything real, everything real. Now I'm navigating currents that don't exist on maps, because maps only track objects, and objects only tell part of the story, and the real story hidden in the intervals, and the resonances, and the invisible exchanges taking place between systems. And suddenly I understand why the ancients spend lifetime studying silence, because silence ain't the absence of sound, it's the presence of deeper sound. And every meditation and every prayer and every observation was an attempt to tune into the logic conversation already happening beneath perception. And now I'm hearing civilizations communicating through geometry, and stars communicating through harmonics, and memory communicating through resonance, and everything connected through an ocean of invisible music nobody noticed, because they were too focused on the notes. Hear the space between. Hear the space between. Nothing silent.